Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you very much. As you see, we are about to prepare our spearfish pepper soup. Okay, so watch out for our previous video how we prepare this spearfish is on my YouTube channel. Okay, so we are going to use this one for pepper soup. So follow us as you want to prepare it. This is my small pepper, you see, negro pepper, alligator pepper. This is spicy for pepper soup. This is clove, ginger, garlic, onion, bay leaf, seasoning cubes, and Adon. Okay, this is Adon. So this is my scotch bonnet with onion. So follow us as we're about to prepare this. Okay, so this is, I want to blend this. I'm not going to use all. This is alligator pepper. This is our pot. Seasoning cubes, salt, beautiful people, please help me to share my video with your friend and family. Subscribe. You are just seeing me for the first time. Please subscribe to support me. Thank you very much. Wow, This is nice. So this is bay leaf, onion with garlic. So beautiful people, this is scent leaf, okay, which is basil leaf. So I want to put it inside the pepper soup. So our pepper soup is ready now. We are going to take it down. The aroma of this pepper soup is delicious. Let's take fish. Beautiful people, thank you very much for watching this video. This is our spare fish pepper soup, okay? Thank you for watching. Please share my video with your friend and family. This is yummy medicinal. This is medicinal pepper soup, okay? Thank you very much. Don't forget to share with your friend and family. Thank you. See you where we'll be eating this our pepper soup. Bye bye. Let's go there.